been wanting to make this video for a while because my sister makes bomb noodles. She be hooking her noodles up and everything. So I decided to show you guys. And yeah, so we are going to be making my little sister's special noodles, right? And
what about confidant?
Yeah, these noodles. This is what we eating. She got like different flavors. Like we got a whole darn cabinet in our kitchen of different flavored noodle packs, right? And she like cooks it up and buy other stuff to put inside of it. It look real good, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the fam bam. And I'm Kaylee, and this is my view. Oh yeah, so she putting crab in. Okay, so let's go ahead and yeah, I want crab.
So I'm gonna cook wontons. These are just like soup dumplings. I'm putting tteokbokki. Crab.
I want crab.
And
Crab.
ingredients wise.
Oh, my cookies. They're about to be. I'm cooking cookies too, y'all.
So I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sauce. So I normally put sesame oil, heavy whipping cream, gochujang, and then the seasoning and sauce packet of this. But I make the sauce first, and then I put the noodles in. Y'all get it?
No! Oh, I'm pretty sure you guys have kind of, well, my voice always been deep a little bit, but past some videos, my voice kind of sound like weird, and I sound stuffy. That's because I've been sick for a while, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that's why I sound like this, because I got congestion problems. And respiratory problems, so
see that's the problem, boo.
bear with me, y'all. Like, please bear with me. I sound like a man, but it's okay, cause we gonna get through it. What up? Hey, you see all of them little pimps. That's alright. It's cool. So yeah, she just setting up everything for us. Cooking good old dumplings. Oh, what's going on? Going on? Wanna know what's going on? Going on? What's that in that pot? What's that up?
This is
No, the other pot.
this one. Dumplings.
Let's see it.
It's not really.
Oh, ew.
I put sesame oil in it. It's not.
Cookie, guys. That's right. Our dessert. Yum, 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 yum. One thing about me, y'all, I eat cookies right when they come out the oven. Ain't no wait until it cool down for me. So good. Oh, hot. I don't care. I cook like a real G. I eat that hot cookie.
Okay. First we put sesame oil in there. Oops, that was wrong. I lied. That wasn't enough. First we put sesame oil in.
Chopsticks. You have no special spatula.
And then you want to put gochujang. It's a red bean paste.
You.
Put the sauce packet in there. Here's the sauce packet. I don't put the entire packet. I mean, it's good. It's just not. You can barely eat it when it's really, really spicy. I like really spicy things, but this is a different type of spice.
That's spicy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like spicy.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. How spicy is that?
It's not too spicy. And plus, I'm putting heavy cream in it. It just tastes better with this.
I don't want a lot.
I'm not making a lot anyway. Now we're gonna add the heavy cream. Pretty.
Did you like find this on like TikTok or YouTube?
Yep. TikTok. Oops.
Yikes.
Ignore that. Okay.
Yeah, that's what you get for having white stove. See that? Gotta clean that. I hate white stoves.
Ooh, you're not gonna eat that much.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Put it on lower heat. Oops.
Watch that plastic. Watch that plastic.
I know. I'm gonna start making it in this pot because this has way more space.
Oops. Okay. What do you say? It comes with it, obviously. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat.
No seasoning whatsoever.
You're gonna mix that up, buddy. What flavor is this again?
Buldak carbonara.
One more time. Buldak carbonara.
I'm adding the dumplings, guys.
That I'm not eating. I don't like dumplings.
I never even tried it.
Shut up.
Gabba gabba.
Lots and lots of cheese.
I like my takoki cheesy. And yes, I washed my hands. Mind your freaking business.
Oh wow. Don't do that to my family. We don't judge over here. Ain't that right, y'all?
Not really. Maybe.
Comment down below. No judge zone. Chibba gabba.
Cheesy. Cheesy. Lemon squeezy. I'm gonna start making my noodles in this pot.
Dang. You like to drink cheesy, don't you?
I told you I like it cheesy.
Alright. Alright now. Okay, boy. Boy. Alright.
It's low heat, actually.
So was that it?
Yep.
So that's it, guys. That's her specialty ramen. And guess I'll give you guys a taster because this is my first time.
My entire kitchen set
Try
is pink.
Yeah, and I hate pink. My favorite color is purple.
I'm using my pink chopsticks. She's going to be using my original ones that I've had the first time I've got chopsticks.
So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to get done. While I wait, I'm gonna eat a cookie. At least I had some fruit. Alright, y'all.
Nice.
I do not use y'all. I'm just leave me alone. Oh shoot. Oh wait. Ooh. Spicy. No, it's not. No, it's not spicy. It's I don't think I would want all that cheese on it, but yum. All right, guys, that's it. Hopefully we gave you guys a new idea of how to cook your noodles and hook it up or whatever. So yeah, good ramen, really good. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little cooking video with me and my little sister, and see you on the next one. I'm Kaylee. That's my view.